Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Schrodinger's Cat. Today we'll be doing Codeforces Round 767 Division 2 and be with me in the contest to see at the last whether the cat remains alive or dead. That means whether I'll perform good or bad in the contest, which I don't know till now. The previous contest had gone unrated, so I hope this contest doesn't have any glitches and we complete the contest very well. Whatever. Only 10 seconds left for the contest. Division 2 767. Let's go. This is within different pieces of software that increase your RAM. Okay, like RAM increases takes AI GB of memory to run. Temporarily, once the program is done running, the RAM back and gives you additional BI GB of RAM permanently. Each software can be used only once. Your PC currently has KGB of RAM. Fine. You need note that you can't use a RAM increasing software. The RAM software if it takes more GB than you have currently have. Okay. RAM achievable. Okay. N and K. I have N and K. Then the two lines follow each containing n integers describing the array A and B. Then two lines follow. Okay, two lines A and B. Fine. Okay, two lines A and B. A is the amount of RAM you have. Achha, K is the your PC currently has KGB of RAM. We have initially K. If I have 10 GB of RAM, I can't run. Okay. If the current A value is less than K, profit. We can get 6. Yes. cannot get anything more. If I sort according to A, yeah, adding any RAM which has A less than the current K is always beneficial, I guess, because it will give me something more. Yes, so I guess we can sort. BI, then we can sort. Yes, less than K, K plus equal to BI. Not BI, VI dot second. Dot first. Or equality is also possible, right? See out K. Sort. Oh, 29 6 1 2 56. 6 1 2 56. Yes. Yeah, I think it is correct because are there Q issues in this contest? Yeah, I want to see how many people have done A because I'm not getting the level. Was A easy? A was easy. Okay. Consider the array A composed of all integers in the range K. Is it possible for GCD of A to be greater than 1 after doing the following operation at most K times? Choose two numbers from A, permanently remove one occurrence of each of them from the array. A always has single occurrence of each value, right? Choose two numbers from A. I chose permanently remove one occurrence of each from them from the array. Okay, insert their product back into A. Okay, so means if I had 12 also in the array and 3 and 4 and 12, then I can choose 3 and 4. Permanently remove one occurrence of each of them from the array. Okay, remove both and put the multiplication of both into that array. I want the GCD to be greater than 1 and I want to tell, I just want to tell yes or no, right? Yeah. LRK. RK. I have LRK. Both are up to 10 power 9. Fine. And is it necessary to do exact K times? No, at most K times. Fine. I can do any number of times, at most k. If I convert all of the numbers into even, that is one of the options for sure. If I have like 3, 4, for example, in this case itself, 4, 5, 6, 7, if I convert all of them into even, then I guess I can just take, if I want to convert odds into evens, I can just pair up the odds. I can just pair up the odds, one odd with one even, and their product will be always even. And if I take all two odds, it will always be odd. So I would not get any benefit. But taking one odd one by one might use more of the tries, right? I also want to do it in minimum number of tries. Not minimum, but if I try to do it in minimum, I will ensure that it comes down until k. So like 3, 4, 5, I can choose 3, 5 and 7. 3, 5 and 7, right? 2 tries. In 2 tries I can convert all 3, 5 and 7 into one single odd number. Then that odd number can be paired up with one even number, and then we'll get all of them. Fine. And why am I trying to make the GCD as 2 and not any number other than 2, like 3 or 4? Because according to me, getting it till 2 is the best, is always better than trying to get the GCD as 3 or 4, I think. Yeah. Fine. We also have k. We can just find the number of tries needed and we'll compare the number of tries required with k. Count of odd. Now I want to count how many odds do I have and how many evens do I have total. Odds count. Total count equal to 3, 4. R plus 1 minus L. Yes. And then odds count equal to total divided by 2. If I have total of 7 numbers, then I can have either 3 odds or 4 odds depending on the first element. If the first element is even, okay, so I have total count divided by 2 plus whether if it is odd, right? Total count is odd. Mod 2 is not equal to 0 and total count and L. Mod 2 is not equal to 0. So I got the odd count. So we can also keep the even count as total count minus odd count. Fine. And required is equals to, if I have 4 odds, I have to do the operation 4 times, right? Not 4 times, log, right? If I have 4 odds, odd, I can choose 2 at a time, then again 2, I think n minus 1 times, right? Yeah, each selection will decrease 2 odds into 1 odd, and I want to decrease 4 odds into 1 odd, so I will require n minus 1, odd count minus 1, then the last odd will also convert into even, will be plus 1, so these both will cancel. We have odd count, required equal to odd count. So if required is less than equal to k, then we have the answer is yes. Else we have no. And does this work? No, yes, I think it is correct. Yep, I have 3 no's at the start, and this one has 2 no's. I have 9. Okay, I want to have 4 yeses here. The 13, 0. I start from single integer. Okay, I also need to have even count, right? If I don't have any evens, the answer is no. Count equal to 0, then just, or yeah, if basically if like the even count is, if there are no evens but I have 2 odds, or I have some basically some amount of odds, and all of the odds are themselves powers of the powers have GCD not equal to 1, then the answer is yes, right? Or if I have an even, if I have even also an even number 3, 6, 9, GCD 3, if I have 3, 6, 9, yeah, so here I got one case 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Let us suppose we have this 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. They do not require any k, they do not require any change because their GCD is already 3. My bad. How can I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 13? I should have continuous numbers. Yeah, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, somewhat like that, right? So if I have a number which is only single number, like I don't have any evens, that means I have only one odd. If I have only one odd, then I should print yes. If odd count equal to 1, or this, yes, here is yes, but I also got 2 extra yeses, I think. So many yes. Or basically I could have said even count equal to 0. 1, 1. I have only 1. I have only 1, right? One cannot be changed into anything if it is alone. Even count is 0, so this should not be 1 as well. And L is not equal to 1. And what is the issue with the last problem? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3 as k. My answer is coming to be yes. How come the answer is yes? What is the odd count? Three. Odd count is 3, which is correct. If even count is 0, even count is not 0 here. 1, 5, 3. Even count is not 0. If even count is 0, and count equal to 1, count equal to 0. Finally I'm getting in yes, because either this or required is less than k. If this is the case where I have a single number, if I have a single number, the answer is always yes. 1 5 5 and 3. Can I convert it in 3 moves? Why yes? Required. One, 15, 60. In 3 moves I can do 1 5 3. Why is the answer? Oh, yeah, answer is yes. My bad. Why am I wasting so much time? Huh. Starting I'm getting yes. If L equal to R, then answer. Oh yes, yes, yes. And L is greater than 1. Yup. No. But I might be trapped in some more corner cases. If I have put some corner cases here, if I have 1 1 2 2, and I have 1 2, 1 is possible, 0, then 1 2, 1 is possible, 2 3, 2 3, 0 is possible. Let me check for this. No, because I can't convert into 1. Okay, this here, yes, it is possible. 1 and 2, 0 it is not possible, but if I have 1 then it is possible, yes. 2 3, no, I can't convert. But if I have 1, then I guess yes. I think it is correct. Not very sure about this, but I guess this might work. We'll see though if this does not work, and what might be the error. Come on. Yes, so this has passed the pretests. What is the rank? Oh, we have the same rank. Fine, this was an easy problem then. C. Again a question on max. Maximum array. A nice name. Mihai wants to create a new array B that is formed in the following way. We already have an array A. We want to create a new array B. Until A is not empty, choose an integer k which is between 1 and modulus of A. What is modulus of A? Okay, let's append the max of the first k numbers of the array to the end of array B and erase them from the start from the array A, shifting the positions of the remaining numbers in A. But since Mihai loves big arrays as much as the max concept, he wants the new array B to be lexicographically maximum. So Mihai asks you to tell him what is the maximum array B. What the maximum array B can be created by constructing the array optimally is. what the maximum array b that can be created by constructing the array optimally is. An array x is lexicographically greater than array y if the first position where x and y differ. Then xi is greater than yi, or modulus of x is greater than modulus of y, and y is the prefix of x. Is okay. I guess here the mod represents the size of the array. Fine. Max is, for those who do not know max is the maximum excluded element. Sorry, the minimum excluded element, I think. Yeah. Start counting from 0, 1, 2, 3 like that, and the first element you do not find on the set is the max of the set. Let us take the input. Input is a very basic input, the number n and the number and the array. Fine, we have an array. Let us go with the first test case, 10203. So 10203, I should choose, what do I need to output? For each test case, print m the length of the maximum array b I can create, followed by m integers denoting the elements of the array b. Fine. Is it not possible to create? Okay, I think it is not possible to create the array of size n. Yeah, that is sure. 10203 size n always 2234 0120. Okay, 012345. We should choose an integer k, append the max of the first k numbers. Okay, the first k numbers max will directly go in b. If I take 10203, the max of 10 is 2. Remove 10, then 20 max is 1, and then 3's max is 0, so I can have 210. 4. Okay, I created 210, but 4 is better than 210 obviously, so 10203. If I consider the whole array and take the max of the whole array, we will get 4. Fine. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0, 5, 1. Yes, 5, 1 is correct. Okay, gotcha. Okay, if I find if I have this array, the max until prefix max, if I can calculate the prefix max, what will be the prefix max? 0, 0, 0, 0, then 1, then I got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so here it will become 5, then this will become 5, and this will become 5. Fine. Once it becomes 5 here, over here, I don't need to choose the other elements with the array. Fine. So this 555 is waste, right? Also, the max of this part is 5, but choosing only this and removing these two is not optimal, because otherwise I'll get a max as 0 of this, and the answer will become 0 5 1. But obviously having 5 1 is better. Okay, so just keep, if I get a method to get the prefix max, right? Recording is well. Yeah, if I get a method to choose the prefix max, to find the prefix max, the maximum value where I attain it, the maximum value where I attain that prefix max, where I attain the maximum value, we can just break after that. Fine, and then we can consider this part as another subproblem. But can I do it using recursion? Will it give TLE if I do using recursion? I can use something like priority queue or something for finding the max, prefix max. What can I use to find the prefix max? N. Okay, I can have a minimum priority queue and just insert all the numbers from 0 to n already, and just keep on removing. No, I can't remove also. I think removal is not possible. काट दिया, 4 काट दिया, 0. I can store it in a linked list manner, but I don't think that is required. To 1 is 5. The number already cut. It remains as 5, right? Order of n, I can find the max, prefix max. Actually, the thing is that if I get a maximum value here of max somewhere along the line, if I can't have multiple maximums, right? I can have only one maximum, and I can't decrease the max afterwards. So I have to break it only at two places. Oh, look at this. What is the max? 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 2, like that. Yeah. So first is this part with max 2. Then next part starts from here. Again a 2. and again a 2. Is the answer what? Sorry, it is wrong. Yeah, max is 1 1 1 0 1 2. Here max becomes 3. 3. Max becomes 3. 0 1 2 is already done. So if I start choosing from here, again 0 0, then 1, then 1 1. Oh my god, not 1 2. Yeah, once it becomes 2, I'll again break here. We'll break here, then we can break here. Fine. Afterwards we can again start from this one, 1 and 2 2. So we can break over here, and finally the max will become 0. So the answer will be 3 for this one, 3, then I'll get a 2 3 2 2 and 0. 3 2 2 0. Yes. Where do you need to? Yes. 3 2 2 and sorry 3 2 2 and 0. Okay. It can be comparable to order of n, the number of breaks I do, right? And in one break, even if I suppose I find a method to find number of the prefix max in order of n, it will become order of n square, and that would give me a TLES. Okay, I also have one input, one constraint as that AI is less than n. Fine. So the maximum element where I find it, that of any use. Maximum element. Okay, only 700 submissions in C till now. Fine. can have, if all numbers are distinct, I will have I can just choose the whole array, and that will become the best answer. Can I condense the array to single elements? Like this array will become 0, 2, 1, 0, 1. Only 5 values. No, I guess not. Because I'm breaking in middle of a bunch of ones. Break is always will the answer always be decreasing order? 5, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 0. I guess yes. Obviously, answer cannot increase the array. 100. No one here. Can I think from the right side? I guess like breaking might work or not. No. 10 per 5, right? 2 10 per 5. 2 10 per 5. First I have prefix mix. if I find the prefix max here, I break here. How many breaks can I possibly have to maximize the number of breaks? I might have an array of this kind, like this, right? And I will have maximum breaks. Each break will be of size of 2. But yes, finding the max prefix, the prefix max is order of n, right? So it will become n square by 2. Yeah. Okay, minus 8 for now. Maximum value here is 1, right? So max can at most go to 2. At most the max can go to 2, right? If I check, can max go? Yeah, 2. Once the max touches 2, I'll break. Again reset. Yes. Gain start equals to 2. If it does not become equal to 2, zero zero 2 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. 0 0 2 1. Okay, submissions are increasing very fast now in C. Can I see D? What? You are have given a list S of S non-negative integers. We have okay. Concatenation of the strings in the subsequence in order is a palindrome. Fine. At least one awesome subsequence of S. A subsequence is called a palindrome. Is called awesome if it is non-empty and the concatenation of the strings in the subsequence is palindrome. Okay. A sequence. ZX ABCC ZXBA. Yes. ZX ABCC ZXBA. How can it become a palindrome? ABCCBA. Okay. Subsequence. Can I have them in order? Some order. Okay, length at most 3. So it is not possible. It is not always 2. Length can be 3 also. ABC. Yes. ABC. Like I have 5 2 4 3 3 3 2. This 3 having ABC gives yes. This yes. Why yes? How can we make a palindrome? Okay, if single element is also considered as palindrome. So basically if I have any element having single length, then it is palindrome. If I have, so let's consider the question. Let's consider the problem to have only 2 and 3 lengths. Lengths of 2 and 3. Huh. 2 and 3, right? Some having length 2, some having length 3. A B C D C B A. A B C D C B A. Okay. Okay. A B C B A. A B C B A. A B C B A. The fact is, if I can have, is it possible that I have, is it possible to choose more than 2 or 3 parent? Means I took like 4. What is n? 10 power 5. That I take 3 of the values, and then I could not have taken 2 out of those. Like I could have had A, B, C, D, C, and B, A. So I could have also had A, B, C, B, A. Yes, if I could have had, I could have had A, B, B, A, D, C, D. I think always I can choose two of them at max, two, and find a palindrome. And if not found, then it is not possible to have. Concatenation of two should become a palindrome. If some of them is starting with A, I should choose which all are ending with A. Yes, so if I can check all the pairs, then that is done. But choosing all pairs is not an easy task. C and D. I have kind of like a brute, not brute, but for both I have a solution of n squared, but I don't have a solution of order of n. Linear quadratic solutions I have. I don't have any linear solution for any of the problem. A, B, C, D, C, B, A. Three. I think what I can do here is just store it in a map of the starting character comma vector of them, and just iterate, checking whether a pair is a correct match or not is just order of 1 because of a very small size of the strings. I guess we can try to do this one. Just save this for C. Yes. First of all, I'll make a map vector of strings. Okay, if si dot length is equal to 1, I'll just do yes and return. Else what I'll do is that hash of s of 0 dot pushback s of I. I only have to check in the vectors which are of the ending character. Or I can also do is that for for each string I can just check the first two characters instead of the first character, right? Yes. Hash is not a character, but it's a string. And it's not a vector. It's an integer. Fine. Yeah. If I have some maybe I can have a vector of strings. If I have the first two characters as AB, do I have any string of the first characters as BA or the ending characters as BA? Okay. Hash string A is equal to S0 plus S1. Okay, and I have a string B. If si right, if si dot length equal to 2 I have to do it in the reverse order, right? If I have AB, I should also find a BA, so that BA, if I already have a BA, its reverse I should have a BA, right? Wait 1 second. I should have a string ending with a BA. I can have something in middle also, or I should, or it is fine if I don't have. Like in this case, ABCD CBA. Okay. ABCD. What I have is I have an AB startings. I have AB, I have CD, and I have CB endings. I have BA, I have DC, and I have AB. I have AB there and I have AB here. Fine. So the answer is yes. Yeah. starting and ending, okay, S and E, and it's not a vector. If I also have like an A B C, if I have an AB and I have a BA, yeah, if I have an AB and I have an ABC, both will count as one AB, single AB, because I can choose either of them. Yeah, so I don't need a vector. I think I just need an int which will just keep count as one or something. And basically I need a set, but I'm more comfortable with maps currently, so I'll do a start. Let's be a little more specific. Start and end. Also S I have already used. So start A equal to 1, right? And string B is an empty string, and if what if, yes, in the case where I have something like this CFC, so it is itself a palindrome, no? So I have a CF and I have a CF, so it will also count. If I have, if B okay, SI dot length, I can do it in a more better manner, but for now I'm thinking to do it this way. If it is 2, then B is equal to plus equals to S of I 1 plus S of I 0. I can also do it like this. Else I can do is one and 2, right? Yes. I can do int L is equal to SI dot length yes, then remove this L minus 2, L minus 1, yes, okay, I did it in a better manner. Now I have B, so I'll do ending of B equal to 1, right? Now just for or A, not A, and start. If ending m dot first is equal to 1, I'll just do cout yes and return. If nothing I could have done, I could do it at the last. I don't need to check in the endings as well because it is just analogous, and then I'll just do cout no. Fine. I don't have any output. Why? Did I just comment out test case or what? Like, I didn't take input n. Yes. If ending also contains the same as m dot first, let us first just print all of the starts and ends. Ends. Yeah. Wow. Fine. So the thing is, it is string comma int, right? Mhm. Will it have any effect? Yes, it has. It has. I have to do separately. Yes. Yeah. So first I have ZX. I have AB, CC, ZX, BA, and ZX. So I have AB, BA, CC, and ZX. Correct. Also I have the reverse. In reverse also I have AB because I have this BA. Then for this BA I have a BA. Then CC I have an XZ. Finally, yes, that is correct. I guess now I can remove this line and just insert these lines again. And yes, yes, no, yes, yes, no. Yes, no, no, yes, yes, no. Yes, yes. The second one. Okay, I have A, B, B, A, D. In the second one, A, B. Okay, if I have this case, I cannot I choose, can't I choose like B, A, D, A, B? This is a palindrome, right? My god, I have to only choose them in the order. Oh, I'm just solving a completely different question. I have to choose a subsequence, I can't reorder. Okay, fine, but so for that AB, I have a, for this A, BA, I have a BA, but it is above, so I can't use. Can I also put some value of uh, yes, I can put some value of pair, this int, string of integer, right? I have an integer, just waste this pair of string comma int, pair of string comma int. Yes, and where is it? A comma I. Fine. And B comma I. Yes. Now we know where they are. and if I have something starting, I should have the ending afterwards. Yes. So m dot first. Okay, I can have a vector of indices. Yes. That this has occurred where, at which all places. Fine. So I can do is that, what I can do is that I can just do a dot pushback I. Yep. And here as well, ending of b dot pushback I. Fine. Yes. So I'll have a vector of all the places where this could have been found. If I have an AB, all the places where this BA could have been found, that ending BA should be after, at that place or after that place. Fine. Yeah. So vector V is equal to m dot second and string, let us call that string X, or maybe m dot first, right? X as m dot first. Fine. Yeah, so ending, and I can have a vector view as ending of X dot second. This is the vector. The maximal value of the vector, right? Ending. If I have a vector, can I have, I want the most farthest ending, means the last. Can I just put the maximum value as the ending? In ending, the maximum value, maximum of its old value, and starting is the minimum value. Okay, I can again I'm changing. I can just have an int. I want to push back start a is equal to, if start a is equal to 0, then start a is equal to I, else start a. Fine. Else I won't change the start a, and end a is equal to, and b is equals to max of, and b is also equal to I forever. If start a is equals to 0, that means but then it might also mean that start a exists. But okay, yes, that start a exists. Yeah, and a and b is equal to I. That means and b is at I is also okay. Yeah. So again, if m if end of m dot first is greater than equal to if end exists, it will also give 0, right? I can also put like start exists and end exist. Start exist a equal to 1 and end exists b equal to 1. That these starting and ending exists. Okay, if start exists of m dot first, which will always be 1, and end exists of m dot first. If they exist, then I need to check if start of m dot first, where this m dot first has been found. If it is found found before less than equal to, at a place less than equal to end of m dot first, then what I need to do is I need to print that yes, I have this answer possible, and I need to return yes, no, no, yes, yes, no, yes, no, no, yes, yes, no. Finally I have the correct answer. Is there any, I don't think I can think of some corner cases here. Let me try to just submit this. I don't think I'll get it. Maybe I might get it like limit exceed or something. I don't know actually. Wrong answer on pretest 2. Wrong answer. How can I get a wrong answer? That means always choosing 2 only 2s is not correct. Fine, the assumption that only 2 are required have been overruled. I can have a very very long string set, a very long string set, which might add up to be a palindrome, but neither of the subsets are, what do we call, neither of the subsets are awesome, no? Awesome. A B C D E F G H G F E. I can have it like this: B C C D E F G H, then G, then E D H G F E D C E H G F E D C and B A. Oh, no, I have A B and B A like this. Oh my god, yes. I can choose this, just these two: A B C B A. सात. Yes, that is correct. Something else is wrong. Starting, if starting exists and ending exists, it exists in start and it exists at end, then we need to check if it starts before it ends. Yes. How possibly could it have been wrong? That is true. If any palindrome starts with some two characters like A B, it has to end with B A, right? Anything in the middle doesn't matter. And my assumption is that means we have proved that we don't need any characters of length 1. So all the substrings with which it has been made should also be of sizes 2 or 3. So if it is AB and it is ending with BA, then obviously I should have the 2, either AB BA or AB X BA or AB XX BA, anything of that kind. So the assumption still holds true. But why is this not getting? Why is this giving a wrong answer? It is not that difficult, I guess. Problem D, right? A B C D E F G H G F E D C B A. Yeah. Where could I, where could it go wrong? Map of string comma int. If it is 0, it is always 0, right? So it will become 0. It is starting with AB, BA, fine. DC, yep. DE, yes. FE, yes. FGS, and HGS. Ending with BA, AB, yes, it is ending with AB. CB, CB, yeah, CB. CD, yeah, CD. ED, yes. EF, yes. GF, yes, and GH, that is HG, yes, this is the correct answer. AB, yes. If it is ending with some character, should I check the endings with the startings? If I have a pair, do I always have it in doubles? AB and AB, then BA, BA, BA. Okay, what if I did not have an AB here? With this BA, I had an AB. But if I have a BA, I should have a starting AB also. BA, I should have. GF, right? If I have a GF, and I also have an FG, FGI. Endings are more, fine. Nothing. AB, I have an AB. Endings with startings. Should I check endings with startings? Is it possible that, for example, I have an AB here, I have an AB here, and I have a BA here? Yeah, I have, for an AB I have an AB. Okay, for an AB I will have a BA in the starting itself, in the starts itself, right? I'll have a BA in the starts itself, not in the starts. If I have XAB and I have a BA, XAB and I have a BA which will become AB, yes. So that won't be correct. What I'm saying is that if I have a string called XAB, I'll write and show, right? XAB, this will contribute to XA in the starts and BA in the ends, right? And I also have an AB. So I have a BA in the starting. What if I have a BA here? If I check the endings with the startings also, this will also give me yes. But this is yes, but not with this ending and that. Yes, but I'll always get like an ending. I'll show you, like, let me show you. 2 XAB and AB, sorry, BA. Yep, answer is no. Oh my god, yes, the answer should be yes. Here's the problem. I have a BA for a start. I have a BA in the end also, right? Endings also. Yes, I cannot start because my bad, I can't take it If I have it this way, answer is yes. Yes. Fine. Then what is the issue? What if I have like 3 and I have this, I had C and I have XVX B? The answer is yes, because it is here itself. Or what if I had like an XX like that? Yes, still it is yes. I don't know why, but it is not giving correct answer. If I have A, B, C, D, E, F, and I have an FE, it is no. Yeah, because DEF and FE is not correct match. DEF, I have an FE and FE, but they are not. I could have needed FEDEF, the bottom one first, right? In this order. Yes, that is correct. Am I just missing some corner cases? Okay, at most 3. I have ABC, CB, A. Yes. I only have characters, right? Doesn't matter actually. You are given a list S of n non-empty strings of length. Okay. Does it even matter if the string is 1 2 2 1 1 2 1? If the string is a character, like a Latin word only, it doesn't matter, and neither does it matter in my code. At this moment I'm blank. Why? I might get a wrong answer verdict, as blank as I am on problem C. Let us see what he's getting. Is he getting a TLE? Yeah, TLE. Wrong answer. TLE. Yeah, if you, that is what was my logic. If you keep on breaking and going, then you will probably end up getting a TLE, which is very. And also we have a wrong answer on D for my own code. Why can it be a wrong answer? UMIMK. KU. Can I have A, B, B, C, CD, DA. 4. It will be a no. Yes. AB, BC, CD. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A, and AD, DC, CB, and DC, CB, and BA, and 8. Obviously, this is yes. Yeah, this is yes. For each pair, I'll have a second pair. What there? Yes. What if I have like? I'm just playing at this moment. I don't have anything to, any direction to think where I could have gone wrong. On D. How many submissions on D? 1629. 2000 submissions on D. Wow. Huh. Really very very bad this is. How can this go wrong, right? Inputs are correct, this doesn't matter. If the string length is 1, then directly yes, because it itself is a palindrome. If it is like 2 or length 3, doesn't matter. I'll just take the first 2 characters, store its index. Okay, I'll just take the reverse 2 characters, store it in the endings. Can I take the endings? It is ending with an AB. It is starting with an AB, correct? It is possible, yeah. It is just a double check. I don't think it would matter if I check the endings as well. It is present in the starting, is present in the ending. The starting have a, okay, so the thing is that I have this in the starting, this in the ending, and then the starting of this is greater than the ending of this, and technically yes, I don't have any hopes with the change I've done till now. The answer should be pretty much same, yes, no, no, yes, yes, no. I just can go and submit this because I don't have any much more time, so why not try and submit this? Because not submitting this is also, I don't have anything else to do. Whatever, let's try to submit. This submit button is not, I can't use submit button, right? Yeah, why can't I? What happened? D, this submit, yeah, just put the endings tag also. I would get another wrong answer, yeah, because, and I don't even know how this is not working. I literally have no idea. If I have a 3, then this will be checked, this will be checked as an X. Yes, I have all the proofs to prove this correct, and I don't know why it is giving wrong answer. Am I missing yes, no somewhere? Will in any case give me no answer. What if I have something like this? ABC. Who knows? No, that is correct. ABA. That should be a yes. It is a yes. I have two. ABC. And I have CBX. This will also give yes, I think. This is giving no, yeah. It should have given no. Correct. And what if this case was there? It is giving a yes, while it should give a no because of this extra check, which is a wrong check. Now it should give a no. It is still giving a yes. Why is it still giving a yes? I guess this is the mistake. Yeah. I have AB and CB. Starting AB, starting CB, ending. Also, I should check about the length. I should keep a check of the length. How long is it? If both are 3 lengths long, it's original. Can I keep track of original also? I have CBX and I have ABC. Starting with CB, ending with CB, but different in the middle. If both have length 3, then that might go wrong. Yes. Here is the problem. I don't think I will be able to correct this. We can have a vector, right? Starting vectors. So starting and endings. And endings also. Dot pushback SI. Yeah, for each of them. Also endings, I think I know how to do, but time is very less. Very stupid mistake. I guess this is a very, yeah. And even if I check, I also have to check the indexes. Recording चल रही है. So I guess I might upsolve this problem afterwards, but this was a very, my god. People have done D. Fine, 2500 submissions on D as well. And this is when we didn't have division 1 people around. What was the, yeah, so I guess that is it. I'm not going to discuss the solutions now of A and B. A and B were very easy. I don't think this was a good contest. Yeah. So if you have jumped the whole stream and then just come back, if you basically jumped the whole stream and came at the ending to check whether the cat was dead or alive, the answer is that the cat was miserably killed by the contest, and the cat has lost a lot of rating, and the cat will try to improve in the next contest. So till then, what else should I say? I don't have anything to say. So I guess let's end the stream now, end the recording now, and bye bye.